Hi everyone, I'm Joy Raithani, the Director and Principal of Guru Kripa Divine Grace Public School, Bahraich. We have been using Eduvate's robotics for the past 3 years now. The kits are very good, and so is the academic support and resources. It is definitely a great value addition to our school. After introducing robotics in our school, the students have become more curious. They enjoy and learn a lot in the lab. They have made some very unique projects like a rain sensing washing line sensing following rover, smart security system, and many more, several other interesting projects. The students and parents appreciate the curriculum and enjoy the activities a lot. Those who want to partner with Eduvate should definitely go for it. Not only because of their resources or because of their books, but also because for their support and for their services. Thank you.